Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Students, this is part 19 of the chapter surface areas and volumes. In this part 19, we will solve questions on the volume of a sphere or hemisphere, and we will continue solving the exercise questions from the 13.8. We solved in our previous part 18 up to the question number 4 of the exercise 13.8. So today we will start from the question number 5 onwards. Question number 5. How many liters of milk can a hemisphere bowl of diameter 10.5 centimeter hold? In this question we are given diameter. So from the diameter we will find the radius. So diameter of a hemisphere given as 10.5 centimeter, or it can be said as 21/2 centimeter. Thus radius of the same hemisphere will be 21/4, that is half of this centimeters. Next, you know how to find how many liters is just nothing but a capacity. So capacity is found through volume. So volume of a or of this hemisphere, so volume of the hemisphere to be found, which is half of the volume of sphere. Half of 4/3 is 2/3 pi r cube. So by just substituting the value of r 21/4 in this formula, we can get the 21/4 into 21/4. We can get the volume, that is 21/4. 7 3s are 21, will cancel with this. So 2 1s are 2, 2s are, and 2 1s are, and 2 11s are. So we have to multiply totally. 11 into 21 square is 441 upon 4 square is 16. So children, when you multiply here 441 into 11 gives you 4851 or 4851 upon 16. When you divide it by 16, you will get 300 here 303. So 303.1875 centimeter cube, whereas you have to convert it into liters. So 1 liter is 1000 centimeter cube or 1000 ml. With this conversion, we can write by dividing by 1000, it becomes 0.303 approximately liters. So this is how we solve this question. Moving on to the question number 6. A hemispherical tank is made up of an iron sheet 1 centimeter thick. If the inner radius is 1 meter, then find the volume of the iron used to make the tank. See children, here we have inner radius, let's say as r, given 1 meter, which is nothing but 100 centimeter. Thickness given, thickness normally difference between outer radius and inner radius, it is given as 1 centimeter. So when I know inner radius and thickness, I can find outer radius. So outer radius, let us assume that it is capital R, which is the sum of inner radius and thickness, that is 100 plus 1 is 101 centimeter. The moment you know inner radius and outer radius, we can go for finding the volume of iron used. So the volume of iron used will be volume of bigger sphere minus volume of smaller sphere. So you need to find out volume of bigger sphere. Here it is hemispherical bowl, that means 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus 2 by 3 pi small r cube. So 2 pi is common, I will take that 2 pi common, 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube to be done. Just substitute the values, 2 by 3 into pi where into 101 cube minus 100 cube. If you find 101 cube minus 100 cube, you will get 2 by 3 pi 30,301 as the difference. Now you take the pi value 22 by 7 and do the simplification. You will get 63,487.81 centimeter cube. Now converting it into meter cube, you will get 0.06348781 meter cube. Why? Because 1 meter cube is 10 lakh centimeter cube, you know that. So with that we are converting, so point will shift for these many 0 times, that is 6 0 times, 6 places it will shift. So that's how it comes 0.063487 meter cube. Okay, this is how we solve this question. Moving on to question number 7. Find the volume of a sphere whose surface area is 154 centimeter square. That means first I have to find the radius. Here I know that surface area of a sphere is found with the formula 4 pi r square, equating it to 154 centimeter square. I will get the radius. We have already solved the same kind of question in exercise 13.4 and you got radius as 3.5 centimeter, if you could remember. You can do it once again. So 4 into 22 by 7 into r square equals to 154. Transpose this 4 into 22 by 7 the other side, when r square equals to 154 into 7 upon 22 into 4. So 11 2s are 11 14s are, this 2 7s are, it becomes 7 by 7 square by 4 or 7 by 2 whole square. That's how radius is 3.5 centimeter. R square is 7 by 2 means 3.5 square. So r is 3.5. So the moment you got r value, to find the volume of a sphere, you have to substitute in 4 by 3 pi r cube there, this value. So 4, I can do the other way also, 4 pi r square into r by 3. This value we know already, it is 154. So 154 into 7 by 6. How 7 by 6 comes, you know? 3 by 2. I mean 3.5 is 7 by 2. 7 by 2 into 1 by 3 is 7 by 6. So this product, if you find, you will get, this product is 179.2 integer by 3 centimeter cube is the right answer. Okay, this is the right answer. Got it? then moving on to the question number 8. Question number 8 has got 2 sub questions. First one is given here. Let us read complete question. A dome of a building is in the form of a hemisphere. From inside it was whitewashed at the cost of 4,989 rupees 60 paise. If the cost of whitewashing is 20 rupees per square meter, find the surface area. See children, very simple. Cost of painting is the surface area where it is painted into rate per meter square. That means here surface area, a curved surface area or inside curved surface area of the dome into 20 rupees is equated to 4,989 rupees 60 paise. Therefore, CSA or inner surface area of the dome is equals to 4,989 rupees 60 paise divided by 20 to be done. So when you do it, you will get 249.48 meter square as the surface area of the dome. So this is the first question. Next, second question. Here, find the volume of the air inside. See children, hemisphere, we have to find the volume. So in the solution, very simple, volume of the hemisphere. So volume of the hemisphere is found with the formula 2 by 3 pi r cube. If I want to find out volume of the pi r cube, mean that 2 pi r cube, I should know r. How can I get the r? I know only in the previous question surface area. Surface area of the dome, that means hemisphere. So in this question, surface area of the hemisphere, which is 249.48 meter to be used. How can I use it? You know what is surface area of the hemisphere? That too it is internal, that is curved surface area. Okay. Why only CSA? It is because only dome is painted, not the base. Base is not there at all, isn't it? Why? Because base, if it is there, it's complete covered, dome won't come. So dome is just CSA of hemisphere. That means 2 pi r square to be equated to 2 pi r square is equated to be this 249.48. So if you solve this, you'll get the value of r. So here you'll get first 2 into 22 by 7. So r square equals to 249.48 multiplied by 7 by 2 into 22 is 44. So r square is equals to 39.69 you will get on simplification. So thus r equals to root under 39.69, which is nothing but you will get 6.3 meter as the radius. So r equals to 6.3 meter. If once you get, you have to substitute here to find the volume. 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 6.3 whole square. You know how to simplify that? You simplify, you get 523 0.908. Here it is meter cube. This much is the volume. Okay, it's approximately, okay, approximately will have this much volume. So this is how we solve this question. Now we will get into the question number 9. Coming to the question number 9, here very important question it is again. 27 solid iron spheres, each of radius r and surface area S, are melted to form a sphere with the surface area S dash. Then find the new radius r dash of that new sphere. You know, it is one way recasting. We call this as recasting. Recasting is something where form of one solid is converted into the form of the other solid. Here volume of one solid is getting into the shape of the other volume, right? Here 27 solid iron spheres means volume of 27 such iron spheres is melted and bringing to the volume of the new one. So it's some completely related to the volumes concept. Recasting is always related to the volumes concept. Now in the solution of this, first surface area of the old sphere, okay, old sphere means it's a small one, okay, small one is 4 pi smaller square. Now surface area of 27 solid iron spheres together will be 27 times of, this is equated to S anyway, so 27 yes, so 27 times of this. Now here let me take out this sentence. I am supposed to go for volume, not surface area. Here I will take the volume of 27 solid iron spheres together. It is 27 times of volume of 1. Volume of 1 is 4 by 3 pi r cube. That means here 27 into 4 by 3 pi r cube, which is equal to volume of new bigger sphere. So we have to equate 27 into 4 by 3 pi small r cube equals to 4 by 3 pi capital R cube. Why? Because volume of a bigger new sphere. Okay, here they said r dash, so let me take r dash only. If you are confusing capital R, you can take. So since they said r dash I have taken. So this 4 by 3 pi cancels. Now I have 27 small r cube equals to r dash whole cube. Now this 27 can be taken inside, so because 27 is written as 3 cube, so 3r small cube equals to r dash cube. It implies, therefore r dash equals to 3r. So this is the solution of this one. R dash is 3 times small r. Okay. Now moving on to the sub question 2 in 9. Find the ratio of surface areas of this. See children, we have already got r dash as 3 times r. We will keep this as formula 1 aside. Then surface area of old one is 4 pi small r square is to surface area of new one is 4 pi r dash square. So 4 pi cancels. So r square is to r dash square. Now from the equation 1 r dash 3r I will substitute here. 3r whole square will be consequent. So r square is to 3r whole square. Now 3r whole square gives you 27r square. So r square is to 27r square, where you have, oh sorry, not 27, 3r square. 3r square is 9 only na. So 3r into 3r. So 3 3s are 9, 9 only. So here r square cancels, we will get 1 is to 9. The ratio is 1 is to 9. This is the answer for the second question. Okay. So we will move on to the question number 10. Question number 10. A capsule is in the shape of sphere of diameter 3.5 mm. Diameter they gave, we have to find radius. How much medicine in mm cube needed to fill this? Volume only we have to find. So volume of the medicine. That fills the capsule is 4 by 3 pi r cube, where diameter is 3.5 mm. That means radius is 3.5 by 2 mm. So I will substitute that. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2 into 3.5 by 2. Now here we have cancellations. This 2 get cancels with this 4, this 2 get cancels with this 11, and here 7 0.5. So 11 into 0.5 nothing but 1 by 2, 3.5 into 3.5 it is nothing but 12.25 by 3. So on simplification you will get 22.46 millimeter cube. Okay, millimeters cube approximately. You will get the value of the medicine that is filling this capsule. Okay children. So with this I have completed all the questions of exercise 13.8 as well as I have completed whole chapter.